You're brushing your teeth at night when it hits, that sharp, sudden cramp in your calf. You freeze, gripping the sink, trying not to yell. And you wonder, why does this keep happening? If you're over 60, those leg cramps aren't just annoying. They can be dangerous, disrupting your sleep, limiting your mobility, and wearing down your strength over time. But here's the good news. 3 simple foods might hold the key to stronger, cramp-free legs. First up, eggs. Not just for breakfast anymore. Eggs are loaded with complete protein, essential for rebuilding aging muscle tissue and improving contraction strength. They also pack vitamin D, which helps your body absorb calcium for better muscle function. And the real kicker? Vitamin B12, protecting your nerves, which is crucial since many leg cramps start with misfiring signals in aging nerves. Then there's the classic potassium hero, the banana. It's more than a quick snack. Bananas are rich in potassium and magnesium, 2 minerals your muscles crave for smooth contractions and calm relaxation. They also deliver vitamin B6, which supports your nervous system and reduces inflammation, key to preventing those middle-of-the-night Charlie horses. Finally, don't forget your handful of nuts and seeds. They're little powerhouses of magnesium, potassium, and anti-inflammatory fats. Together, they help muscles relax, improve circulation, and ensure oxygen and nutrients reach where they're needed most. So before you reach for another pain reliever or toss and turn through another restless night, take a look at what's on your plate. Sometimes, the best medicine for leg cramps isn't in your cabinet, it's in your kitchen. For more real, practical advice to help you stay strong, sharp, and independent, subscribe to Senior Spring today.